Seeing 88 blinking on your Lasko heater display? This error code is trying to tell you something important about your heater's internal systems. The 88 error typically signals a problem with your heater's main control board or power supply. This means your heater cannot complete its normal startup sequence. To understand why this happens, let's look at the internal components of your heater. These electronic parts work together to control heating and safety functions. The 88 error is particularly common in older ceramic heater models. As these electronic components age, they become more prone to failure and communication issues. The error indicates potential faults in the heater's electronics or internal components. Here's what the electrical system looks like and where problems typically occur. While a simple reset might solve the problem temporarily, the 88 error often points to deeper internal component issues within the circuit board that may require more thorough troubleshooting. Don't worry though, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. In the next section, we'll walk you through the complete reset process and other solutions. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is performing a basic reset of your Lasko heater. This simple procedure resolves many 88 error cases. First, unplug your heater completely from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the internal components to fully reset. After waiting, plug the heater back into a different wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors, as these can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger the error. Position your heater away from heat conductors like radiators, vents, or direct sunlight. These can interfere with the internal temperature sensors and cause false error readings. If the basic reset doesn't work, try cleaning your heater's filter. A clogged filter can cause overheating and trigger the 88 error code. If basic troubleshooting fails, the problem may be a faulty thermistor. This is a temperature-sensitive resistor that helps control the heater's operation. Replacing a thermistor requires electronics repair skills and tools like a soldering iron. Only attempt this if you're comfortable with such repairs, as it involves opening the heater and working with electrical components. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the 88 error, it's time to seek professional help. The error may indicate a critical fault in the control board that requires expert diagnosis. Check if your heater is still under warranty. Lasko offers limited warranty coverage that may include replacement for defective units experiencing the 88 error.